Hey guys, Mark and Swan here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you can generate more leads, sales, and reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Arbonne business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets, reveal industry secrets rapid fire. No fluff, no time wasting, all facts. I'm going to save a special bonus for the very end, so stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact 3-step strategy that I use to become a top recruiter and to hit the leaderboard for sales with a completely different company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted prospects to what you have to offer within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way you can attract highly qualified and targeted prospects to you of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. Imagine how it would feel to have a business working for you instead of the other way around. You're going to get my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who've already accomplished what you want to accomplish, looking at what they've done, and simply creating updated content going after the same keywords. And you're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to do this. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate, you're going to click on the video and copy the tags to a Word document. Create a coherent title with these different keywords and make sure your title still makes sense while having these keywords within the title. Your description is going to be about 300 words long, and you want to scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save that thumbnail as your primary keyword. Remember, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. That means somebody who has success in your niche. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim of what they said, but you want to create updated content going after the same keywords. Keep your content 3 to 5 minutes long. You're going to use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save the video as your keyword optimized title. You want to find exactly where your target audience is hanging out and be social there. Okay, you want to be social and build a following in these different groups, and we're going to explain exactly how to do that. You want to market to everyone under the sun. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone. Your message is not for everyone. It should repel and reject quickly. Your message should be looking for like-minded network marketers, and those are the people who are going to give the least amount of resistance. Here's a good first message. You could say, "Hey Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyway. I noticed the comments that you've been making on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I decided to check out your profile. It seems like we have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I would love to connect. It would be great to chat. What exactly do you do for work?" So you start off with something like that. Again, you're just building your audience and you're just being social there. You can keep people engaged by posting pictures of your family, of yourself, blog posts, engaging pictures. I love my blank, fill in the blank. Those types of things are going to get people to comment, like, and share your post, which is going to get more people to see your posts in the future. You want to go again into the groups like the Robert Kiyosaki group, Tony Robbins fan page, and you want to make 5 to 10 connections each day. People get to know you from your comments. You don't want to go in there and start pitching and pushing, and that would just be bad. You definitely don't want to do that. Just go in there, be social, and build a following. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So that's 90% personal and only 10% about your business. And when you post about your business, it's going to be results of your team and that kind of thing. For the 90% personal, you want to be posting pictures of you out at the beach, just hanging out, those kind of things with your family, having fun, inspirational quotes, and random questions, fun polls, and even valuable content like blog posts, that kind of thing. And a good example of a curiosity post. This morning, I had made a great smoothie. It had apples, oranges, mangoes, green powder, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may ask, "Hey, well, what's that green powder all about?" And And that's exactly what you want, because that green powder may have something to do with your business. So people might reach out to you. They just are a little bit more curious, just want to get to know a little bit more about which exactly you have going on and exactly what you're doing. Guys, I hope you guys got value from this. If you did, feel free to check out the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link. And I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll show you from point A to Z of how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, which some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link. I hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.